Today we are going to discuss some most important points related to Young's double slit experiment. First point, if capital N is very small such that small d much greater than capital N into lambda. Capital N is number of fringes, small d is separation between two slits and lambda is wavelength of light. Then the fringes are almost of equal size and fringe width is W equal to lambda capital D by small d. Second point, as N increases, the width of fringe also increases. Third point, the fringe of minimum width is central bright fringe VR naught. W naught of bright fringe equal to 2 N equal to 1 put करेंगे तो 1 minus 1 upon 2 lambda capital D by D square minus 2 1 minus 1 upon 2 square lambda square. So this will become W naught bright equal to lambda capital D by small d root 1 minus lambda square by 4d square. The central bright fringe is narrow or smallest while all other fringes are much bigger. Fourth point, position of number of bright fringes formed 0 to plus infinity on the screen by formula xn bright equal to capital N lambda capital D by root d square minus n square lambda square. But xn bright equal to infinite gives d square minus n square lambda square equal to 0 or given capital N equal to small d by lambda. So the bright fringe numbered small d by lambda is at x equal to plus infinite on screen. Suppose the numerical value of d by lambda is found as 172.8, then it means that fringe number bright is between 0 and plus infinity and fringe number 173 beyond the plus infinity. Then fringes bright 1 to bright 172 are found on screen above O. Next point, if the screen infinite side below O minus infinity, also then similarly fringe numbered bright 1 to bright 172 are formed between 0 and minus infinity on the screen. Fringe width W equal to capital D lambda by small d can be used when n is very small. Angular fringe width. This is screen and distance from screen to slit is capital D. S1 S2 are two slits. C is midpoint on screen. तो ये जो सेंट्रल फ्रिंज C से जो एंगल बनाता है, दिस इज एंगुलर फ्रिंज विड्थ. इट इज द एंगल सबटेंडेड बाय फर्स्ट फ्रिंज सेंट्रल फ्रिंज एट C or the center of S1 and S2. Delta approximate W upon capital D approximate lambda capital D by small d upon capital D. So delta equal to lambda upon small d, delta in radian. This is most important formula, angular fringe width. If YDSC is conducted in vacuum, then fringe width W equal to lambda capital D by small d. Then if this conducted in some medium like water with refractive index equal to mu, fringe width becomes W dash equal to lambda dash capital D by small d, where lambda dash equal to lambda by mu. Fringe width W dash equal to W upon mu. Next point, if the angular fringe width in vacuum is delta, then angular fringe width in medium becomes delta dash equal to delta by mu. Thank you.